Hey guys, today we'll be making the classic strawberry shortcake trifles. They are delicious and I highly recommend them. To start off, you will need a medium-sized bowl. A pinch of salt. Now we will incorporate the dry ingredients together. Then I will need 1 stick of softened unsalted butter. First, I will cream the butter just a little before incorporating the sugar. I am adding half a cup of sugar. Now I'm scraping down the sides with a flexible spatula. You should aim to whip your butter for about 3 minutes. It's about 3 minutes later and now I'll be adding 1 egg into it. And yes, it is normal for the mixture to look a little separated. And now I'll be adding my second egg. After the egg is well incorporated, I'm just going to scrape down the sides with a spatula. For the final wet ingredient, I'll be adding 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now I will pour in 1/3 of the dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. Next, I will pour in half a cup of milk in 3 batches so that this is traditional creaming. Traditional creaming provides enough gluten structure to form so the cakes don't sink. I'll pour in another 1/3 of the dry mixture. Add in a little bit more milk. The remaining of my dry ingredients. And the last of my milk. Now I'm mixing it one last time with my spatula. To grease my tray, I'll be using a little bit of coconut oil, but you can use butter or any other type of oil. Then I'll be putting my cake batter into the tray, spread it out, and then put it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. While that is baking, I'll be making the strawberry mixture. I cut off the stem and then cut the strawberries really nicely. I'm cutting about 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Now that I have my cut strawberries, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. So now it's time to mix it. After I mix it, I will put some cling wrap on top and let it set to make it nice and soft. So here's my cake fresh out of the oven. So now I'm going to let this cool and then I'll be making whipped cream. You will need about 1 cup of heavy cream and you will whip that up until very, very, very soft peaks. Now I will add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then continue to whip the cream. And finally, I will add 1½ tablespoons of powdered or confectioner's sugar. So this is the consistency I recommend. It is easy to overbeat it, so make sure you keep an eye on it. So now we have all of our components. We have our basic vanilla cake, our whipped cream, and our strawberries. I will also be taking 4 graham crackers and crushing it. To make it a trifle, I'll be using my serving cut as a cutter and be cutting out 6 pieces of cake. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.